Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos, and this is another Ford Ranger Wildtrak custom design that's currently in stock. So this particular range is in the metallic black. It's got the added Raptor kit. You've also got the factory fit Ford roller cover. It's the power roller cover, so it power opens and closes. A lot more convenient than the manual one. You've got the tow bar and the cargo management system. So let's go around a bit more detail. So as I said, it's got the Raptor kit added. So it's a Wildtrak vehicle with the bonnet scoop added. It's got the Ford Ranger Ford Raptor style front grille, lower bumper bar. You've also got the front bumper fully black painted at the bottom. Normally it comes silver, but obviously with a black vehicle it looks a lot better like this. You've got 20-inch alloys with brand new all-terrain tyres. You've got the wheel arch kit. Just gives the vehicle a nice aggressive look on the road. Top of the windows gets the wind deflectors as well. So this is the 2-litre twin turbo, 213 brake horsepower. It's got the leather interior with the Wildtrak embossing on the seats. It's the 10-speed auto box. You've got things, it's a nice spec on it, so you get things like the navigation, touchscreen, heated seats, and I'll show you that when we go inside. Round to the rear, this one's also had the LED stealth lights added, so they're an upgrade. They're on at the moment to show you what they look like when they're off. They've got that smoked look. It's been debadged on the rear as well, so it's nice clean lines in the black. I think it's a nice looking vehicle. You've got the tow bar there, you've got the rear camera under there. This is the power roller shutter, so we can push a button here and it will power open. I can push it at any point again, it will stop, and then it would power close if we push it a third time. You can operate it there, you've got a button inside I'll show you now, and also a button on the key fob, so 3 different ways to operate that power roller shutter. A bit more about the spec. You've got the privacy rear glass on the rear window, so you've got a slight tint on there. You've got front and rear parking sensors, the rear camera I mentioned, LED lights on the front, so daytime running lights, fog lights as well. It's got keyless go, key can stay in your pocket, vehicle unlocks when you touch the screen, power folding wing mirrors, electric adjustment of the driver's seat. This is that button for the power roller shutter I mentioned, so I pushed it once, it's power opening. Push it a second time, stops. And then if I push it the third time, it will power close. So just to give you an idea, it's a really nice upgrade over and above the manual roller shutter. Obviously the shutter itself is an upgrade. Ford factory fit. So that's the button, power folding wing mirrors, auto lights. I'd quickly show you some of the spec on the Wildtrak. So you've got cruise control with speed limiter. This particular range has got 9,757. It might creep up very slightly. You also get driver assist, so you get lane keeping. You can change the mode, and then you have pre-collision warning, speed limiter. Traffic sign is quite nice, it tells you the speed limit of the road you're in at that particular time, so with the speed cameras around, that helps. On the left you can have your navigation, phone or entertainment. That's your sat nav screen, that's your rear camera, front and rear sensors. With these vehicles you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, depending on what you connect. So if you connect your Android or your Apple, you get that. You've got Full Pass Connect, so you can download the app onto your phone and you can check the status and do certain things remotely on your vehicle, and you get ambient lighting. I know I'm rushing through here, but I just want to give you just an overview that there is actually quite a lot of features on the Wildtrak model. The tech's pretty good. So you've got heated seats, climate control, so you can set the temperature and it gets to that temperature. You've got auto, sport mode. You can change it to 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and low. You're normally keeping it always in 2-wheel drive, and it's 10 speed, but you can change the gears yourself. So hopefully that gives you just a general overview, but you're welcome to call me and I can tell you a bit more about the spec. So leather interior, as I said, and just a quick overview in the rear. On the rear of these you get a 3-pin plug socket in the back, which is good. And you've got ISO fixed points on those rear seats if you've got children. So I'm Jack at Downs Autos. Thank you very much for watching this video of the Ford Ranger.